Hey guys, our writing activity for today is going to involve our spelling words. So right here on this slide you can see that I have written the spelling words for you. Let's all say them together. You guys say them with me. Cake, mine, plate, size, 8, grape, prize, wipe, race, line, pile, and last one is rake. So for your writing activity today, you're going to take out your journals and you're going to start on a new page and you're going to write number 1, write the word cake, just like I did right here, number 1, cake. And then below it, you're going to write a sentence with the word cake. I'm going to show you an example. I wrote, I like to eat cake. I want you to notice how I started my sentence with a capital letter. Here we go. I started my sentence with a capital letter. I like to eat cake. And I ended my sentence with a period. It's very important that you always start your sentence with a capital letter. The first word of the sentence is always capitalized. You write the whole sentence, I like to eat cake, and a period at the end. You're going to do this for each one of your spelling words. In your journal, you're going to put number 1, the spelling word cake, and then a sentence. Then you'll put number 2. The next spelling word is mine. And then you'll write a sentence using the word mine. So in your journal, it'll be 1, cake, a sentence with the word cake. 2, mine, a sentence with the word mine. All the way down, all 12 of your spelling words. That is your writing activity for today. And when you're finished, you can take a picture of the page in your journal that you did your work on, and you're going to send me the picture. So you guys do a great job. Be very creative with your sentences, and make sure that every sentence starts with a capital letter, ends with a period or a question mark if you're asking a question. So good luck.